Hi, welcome back to my page. Today we have a data entry task and I want us to read it together and do the task together. Let's go. The task read, Hi, please help me create a clean and organized Google Sheet for our weekly order tracking. I need the sheet to look professional because multiple team members will use it. Please follow the instruction carefully. And here is number one instruction, followed by number two instruction, followed by number three instruction. So how are you going to handle this? Let's get into it now. This is a very plain Google Sheet because the client made mention of using Google Sheets and it needs a link. The first thing you do is to rename this sheet like I did over there and put in the headers. These are the headers that the client provided. After typing the headers, remember he said you should follow instruction. He instructed us to bold the header and give it a background color, and that is what we are trying to do. And this is what I use to format my text. You highlight it first, then go to that B and bold it, and also click the colors. Choose any color, though she mentioned blue color, and we're going to use that blue on this, and also make the write-ups visible by using a white color. And here the first assignment is done. After the first instruction, here is what we're going to do. Second instruction is to put in the datas. Because I've already done that in the previous sheet, like you can see down there, sheet 1 and sheet 2, all I did was to brought forward instead of typing afresh. I copied from the previous sheet where I was working and I brought it forward to this sheet right here. So I'm going to be copying everything from that sheet and bring them forward to this sheet. All right, so please, if you have not followed this page, please click the like button first so a lot of people can see this video, and also click the follow button. It's very important. Okay, thank you for doing that. We have successfully copied all the data and brought them forward to this new sheet, right? So we want to add a new column. We insert a new column and name it total, just like we did here. And after that, we'll calculate the total amount each item produced. All you need to do is to click equals to in anywhere inside the new column, but it will automatically show you the formula like you just did, and I clicked enter and voila, it's showed. Then you drag it to the last column, to the last, yes, and everything will show up. That is how to do it, right? And because the clients want us to calculate the total sum, remember I said we should follow instruction carefully. And she asks us to input under the other status, we should input pending, shipping, cancel, delivered, and all of that. So instead of clicking it one after the other, what I would do is to insert it directly, just like I'm doing now. Go to insert, click, highlight the column, go to insert, click insert, and you will see a drop down. Then you impute what you want it to show there. Like the first one I'm putting is pending. So if the good is still pending, the does not delivered, you click pending. You give it a color, and is that we add the second one, which is shipping, the third one, and now we are adding the last one because it's four. We have pending, we have shipping, we have delivered, and the last one is cancel. So if anybody cancel, you just go over there and click cancel, right? So after doing it, you drag and it's going to show. I'm going to show you how to use it later on. So the same thing we're going to do still in order. She asks us to impute either yes or no. So if somebody ordered yes, you click yes, you click no. Instead of imputing it, I decided to create it differently, and I believe she's going to like it. So this is how to use it. Instead of typing yes or no, you just click it, click it. Instead of typing pending deliver, just click it. The colors will differentiate it, and just hoping she's gonna like it. right? And this is how to use it. After that, the next thing we do is to head over to the total column and calculate the total amount made. All you need to do is to come down and click equals to, and it's still going to show you the formula. You click enter. Remember the client said you should color the total amount yellow. So give it you give it the correct color, bold it like she instructed, and that is that for today. But because we want to ask, you cannot do it because we cannot finish up without adding the currency. We're using Naira and we'll need to look for Naira sign and add it. And that is it. We are done. The tax is done. But for me, I decided to add the background color to make it more colorful. All you need to do is to highlight the whole table. Highlight the whole table and give it a color. Just like I highlighted the tables, went straight to background color and colored it just to make it more colorful. And that is it. You can see the work is done. Next thing is to copy the link. Head over to the share button. Click the share button. Don't just copy. You have to know if it's restricted, like here. But this one is everyone can have it. Then you make sure before you copy the link and the work is done. If you have watched this video to this hour, you have not followed, please follow this page and like this video. Bye.